My name is DSerrao, and I will be researching the adverse effects of cement dust on the morphology, growth, and physiology of Phaseolus vulgaris, which is a common bean plant. Air pollution is a growing concern around us. Air pollution is a growing concern around us, and cement dust does contribute to this. Cement dust is a type of particulate matter which can be described as PM10, which means that the dust has a diameter less than 10 micrometers, but more than 2.5 micrometers. It has been known that particulate matter, this type of particulate matter, can affect vegetation. There are many sources of cement dust, such as cement factories, construction sites, unfinished roads, but there are many articles that have been done on the cement pollution given out by cement factories, which can include chemicals, but I will more so be looking at the physical side of the cement dust, such as the particle size and the amount applied to the vegetation and how this affects it. I therefore hypothesize that cement dust will adversely affect the morphology, growth, and physiology of Phaseolus vulgaris. And it will do this by reducing stomatal conductance, which is the rate at which carbon dioxide enters and the water vapor exits the stomata. It would also decrease the chlorophyll content. It will decrease the growth rates and also alter the general morphology. And I will measure this by counting the number of leaves, seeing the appearance of the leaves, the fruit, the pods. The main materials I will be using is garden soil, seeds, pots, dust applicator, cement, spectrophotometer, and a pyrometer. And these materials should come up to a total of $105.10, which is below the allotted amount of money we received. For my methods, I will have 21 plants, and the 21 plants will be divided into 3 groups. Each group will have 7 plants, and one of the 7 will be the control. So the 6 others, I will be measuring a property. One property would be the morphology. Like I said, the leaf count, the appearance, the percentage of necrosis on the leaf, the stem height. One group will be the stomatal conductance, and another group will be the chlorophyll content. The group of 6 will be divided into 2 groups because one group will have a certain amount of cement dust applied, and then the other group will have another amount of cement dust applied. In January, I will plant the seeds and start applying the dust when at least 2 leaves have emerged. In February, in the first week, I will note the morphology and start measuring the stomatal conductance. In the second week, I will start measuring the chlorophyll content. These measurements will continue throughout the weeks in March, and I will also analyze the data that I will be getting and start to put it in tables and be able to present it. This project should be completed by March 30th. This research will contribute to the small amount of knowledge known about the effects of this particulate matter. It will also put more emphasis on the anatomy and physiology interrelated. When anatomy is affected, the physiology, the inner workings of an organism is also affected, so it goes hand in hand, and this project will show that. It would also promote awareness on how people can prevent the after effects of being exposed to cement dust. It will tell people, oh, where should I plant my crops? Where should I put my vegetation in comparison to where a cement factory may be or where a construction site may be. That is it.